everyone and welcome to a weekly vlog. I didn't even start this vlog, so I thought I would quickly jump in now. I've literally just finished editing it. So enjoy the last weekly vlog before Christmas. Hello everyone. I went to work today. I don't know if I've started this vlog, but I went to work today. Why is it? Okay, I need to turn the aircon on. And I finished work and I've just gone to the gym. I went to the gym near work, which I never do. But I'm actually going to get Yochi right now. I literally smell, so just sprayed some deodorant. So yeah, that's the vibes. This gym is so busy, it was giving me full anxiety. Hello everyone, what a jump scare, but I just finished work for the whole year. That is crazy. I don't think I filmed anything at work, so sorry about that. It's because my camera is at home and I've had to take all my makeup off. I should have tanned my face because this looks scary as like her trying to take pictures, and I'm like, anyway, I'm gonna go get my eyebrows done. I'm gonna ask her to do them quite dark and bold so that they last longer because it's currently the 17th and I want them to still look good for Christmas, obviously. So be prepared that my eyebrows in the next few, basically for the rest of this vlog, are gonna look crazy. I actually have a little Chrissy present for her in here, and I picked up, actually I can't show you that because this is going up before Christmas. I picked up some other stuff for Christmas presents. I've been quite bad with Christmas presents this year. I know exactly what I want to get people, but I actually just hadn't. Well, I have one sister done. I have two sisters done now. Actually, I don't know. I have my mum done. Haven't thought of my dad or my sister's partners or anything. But I need to go home and like see what I ordered because I kind of forget it all, and like I want to wrap it all up and make sure I have the same amount for each sister because I feel like I accidentally bought more for one, all that kind of stuff, and then see who else I need to buy for. But yeah, I'm gonna go in for my eyebrows. I'm so excited, and my lashes. Okay guys, these are the eyebrows done. I'm literally obsessed. I'm gonna drive home now. It's like 4:36. It is so good. I want to have an early night tonight. Hello everyone, good morning. I look crazy. Today I have a hair appointment and breakfast with Kyra, which I'm so excited. I haven't seen her in ages. I am pale, which I hate being pale, but I'm going to put on a little bit of makeup. I'm not getting like my hair dyed or anything today. It is just a trim and a wash, but I just wanted fresh hair for the end of the year. Obviously I'll probably end up washing my hair again before Christmas. But I kind of, oh my camera's about to die. I kind of honestly just wanted a fresh wash and a haircut, to be honest. I feel like I have heaps of dead ends. I'm just gonna do a little bit of makeup, mainly just to cover my under eye bags and pimples. Oh, also a blind pimple coming. I'm gonna use my under eye corrector. Look at the difference. Breakfast, sorry, it was amazing. I'm running a little bit late, so I'm gonna head in to go get my hair done. I'm so excited. Let's go. Alright guys, hair is done. I'm actually obsessed. If you guys didn't see, I go to James Collective in Nerang, but they also have a Brisbane salon, and they just freshened it up. It's too early to get like a full head of foils, so I actually they popped a toner in, so it just like blended the roots in perfectly for like Christmas and everything. And then they just did a cut because I just felt like it needed a cut really badly, and I actually just love how it looks. Like, it looks so fresh. I'm actually obsessed. I'm like not looking at myself right now and being like yuck, which never happens when I'm not got a tan on, which I know is really bad, and I hope I get to a point in my life where I don't need to be tan every 5 seconds. Like, I don't need to have a fake tan on. But until then, like at this point, I'm like, someone better fake tan me for my own funeral. You know? Like, I want to glow. Anyway, I'm going to go home right now. I'm actually so hungry and I just came back from breakfast, but I woke up starving. Maybe I'm getting my period. I actually think, I'm not due for my period for 2 weeks, but tell me why I'm getting all the signs. Okay, I'm home. If that fits there, that is the best thing I've ever discovered. Damn it. I have a lot of uni to do. I haven't started any for the week, so that's what I'm gonna do now. But there's ants everywhere. Oh my god, they're all over this. I'm gonna have to clean that. Okay, first though, haven't done, there's flies everywhere too. I think it must be like the heat, but it's really annoying. It's the 18th today. You best believe I'm taking my advent calendar to Melbourne. It's little Christmas pudding. There's an ant on my phone now. Cool. Oh my god, it's like up the wall. Okay guys, I am still home alone. It's currently 5:30 and I'm gonna put my dinner in the microwave because I'm starving. I did my uni, but I was meant to also organize all my Christmas presents that I've got for people and I still haven't done that, so I'm probably gonna do that later. But I've been reading and I've been doing uni. I have microwave rice. You guys know the drill. It's my burrito bowl that I have every single day. Literally shook right now. Dad just goes, "You have a package at the front door." And I was like, oh, that's weird. Like, I didn't know I was getting anything. And then this shows up. Oh my god. I don't know how they got my address, but I love pistachio puppy so much. And I'm actually like scared. How do you... I'm frazzle dazzled. Ooh. Okay. Ah! Oh my god. Come to puppy. Oh my god, wait, we need to open all of this. I'm actually crying. Okay, so we have in here, oh, I know what this is. You're gonna die. You're gonna want this. I know what it is. It's a pistachio puppy candle!
You're taking the piss.
Now my room can, I'm gonna be craving it all the time. Oh. No, it says pistachio gasm.
Oh, I'm like mucho gusto.
Yum. And then we
goodness.
have...
It smells just like it too.
I know. Then we have...
Are these jammies?
No.
What is this?
Oh yeah. Oh my god. We need to make something with pistachio now. That.
Cookies or something?
Oh, pistachio cookies.
Yeah. Careful, there's a bug on you.
And then the pièce de résistance, or whatever it's called. Oh my god, it's got Christmas, it's got Santas on them.
Oh, there's a crunchy one.
Pistachio puppy crunchy.
Say less, puppy. Oh
Guys,
goodness.
this might be the best PR I've ever received. Look at that. Thank you so much. Hello guys, good morning. It is Thursday morning. I'm off to breakfast and then I'm going and getting my teeth whitened at Dental Boutique in Brisbane, and I'm gonna go try some new places in Brisbane as well, so I'm very excited. Today's a big day, but I'm also thinking of going to the gym. My hair, I'm like not used to my hair every time I see it. I feel like it looks really dark. Like, am I giving brunette? I know it's probably all in my head, but my room is disgusting. Like, what is going on? I'll clean that today. It's because I'm in the midst of packing and stuff. But I literally feel like I'm giving brunette. I went to the gym. I went for breakfast and I've come back home. I didn't think I was gonna have time, but I have. Also, I feel like I've worn this top like 4 times in this video. Maybe I have watched it a lot of times. It's just like easy to chuck on. But I just found out, like, I was watching videos on teeth whitening because that's what I'm getting done. I just found out that I like can't eat anything that's like not white for 48 hours. I knew it would be like no coffee, no tea, which I don't drink coffee, it will be the tea. But I didn't think like tomatoes or stuff like that I wouldn't be able to eat. And now I'm like spiraling. I'm like, shit. Like, they said no berries specifically. And I love berries and I have so many berries to eat still. So now I'm just like looking at the food that I can eat for dinner and shit when I get home. I'm not gonna lie, it's not a lot. Okay, I have blueberries, which they said I can't eat, but in 48 hours I can eat. So when is 48 hours from here? So Thursday at 2 p.m. is when I'm getting it. So Thursday at 3 p.m. Friday at 3 p.m. Saturday at 3 p.m. I kind of hate that. So I really wanted to have pancakes with berries tomorrow for brekkie. Low-key think I'm still gonna do it and just like cut the strawberries up really small and just like eat it. I don't know. That's really annoying. Like, I don't know what I'm gonna have have for dinner now and for breakfast tomorrow. Okay, so for dinner, I think I have chicken schnitzel. Hello guys, I was just about to leave, but is this on the piss? But I just got a random package that I wasn't expecting, so I'm gonna open it. Doesn't even say what the brand is, so it's tied up. Okay, still no idea what this is. Okay, the side says Radiant. Do you go like this? Thank you, we are thrilled to have you on board and cannot wait for you to feel the difference with your new Radiant shower head. Whoa! There's like full parts in here, like a little, I think it's like a water filter for your hair. Oh my god, it's a full shower head. Very random, but I think that will help. I feel like my mum will really enjoy this because she always complains about certain water hurting her head. Hurting her head, like ruining her hair. So yeah, thank you so much, Radiant. Oh, I'm like losing parts. Put that all in there. Okay, I just got to Brisbane. It took me like an hour to get here, and I've just pulled up to, did I already say this, that I'm going to like the Air One of Brisbane? It's gone like viral on TikTok. Apparently it's like Air One, so we're gonna explore it, and I'm gonna get this for lunch before I go get my teeth done. But I gotta go pay for my parking, so let's go do that. I'm actually nervous to go eat by myself. It should be fine. I just hope it's not busy. Okay, this is really brave of me. Guys, I'm eating it right now and it's literally the best thing I've ever eaten. Okay, just finished at Evra. Oh my god, it was amazing. Yes, I have lipstick on my face, but I've broken my camera. I dropped it when I was there, and now it's like this part won't close, and when I try and press the button, it won't even turn on because it says lens error. And when I try and press the button, it starts like shuddering and making a weird noise. So I'm gonna take it to the camera store today. I'm so fucking annoyed because I really want to have it for Christmas. Good morning, everyone. Okay, I did not film anything yesterday because I was in the shittest mood. Also, now that I've started doing weekly vlogs, I've realized how often like the past like 2 months I've said I've been in a bad mood. I promise I don't get in moods that much. I just feel like these last 2 weeks have been crazy. But I was in a really bad mood yesterday because I'm not sure if I said this, but I dropped my Canon, like my vlogging camera, so I'm currently filming on my phone. Already hate it. And it stopped working. Like it literally stopped working. I took it to the camera store and they have to send it away for 6 to 8 weeks. And it's gonna cost me like $400, which I was just annoyed that I wouldn't have it over Christmas. Like I was annoyed at myself. I wasn't annoyed at anyone else, obviously, because I dropped it. Actually, it's the table's fault because it rolled off the table. And then I was like started stressing. I was like, oh my god, I can't vlog. Like I can vlog on my phone, but it's not good. And then everything just like little things. Okay, this is so silly. But, like everything just kept falling off the tables. Like I kept dropping things and it was like frustrating me, and I was just getting in a really bad mood. I must be getting my period or something because I was just like getting so frustrated. Like I literally went to sleep at 8 o'clock last night because I was in such a bad mood, and I knew as soon as I woke up I would feel better. Like literally as soon as I woke up I would feel better. Hello everyone, happy Saturday. I'm back on a Canon because Jazz let me take her Canon while she's in Perth, and I'm so grateful. Last 2 days I was in a mood, I'm not gonna lie. I don't know what it was. I really don't know what it was, so I didn't film. But I'm feeling so much better. It is Saturday the 21st of December and I'm off to the airport because we're flying to Melbourne. I'm pretty sure I've said this, but we're having Christmas in Melbourne. My mum's already there. She's been there for like a week. My sister arrived last night. My bag is full to the brim. I have some Christmas presents in there. And then I got stuck on the duty of bringing all of the stockings. So there is a stocking there. But then I have that bag for my carry-on. And then I had to purchase a whole new checked in because all of that has my presents for people. So yeah, I think if we do another interstate Christmas, which we probably will because we usually like take in turns. So we've done Gold Coast quite a bit. So maybe Newcastle will be next. I actually think Melbourne will be next again because my sister will have had her baby. I'll be an auntie. So we'll probably do Melbourne again, but I think when we do that, I'm gonna just buy all of the Christmas presents in Melbourne. I think that's what all my sisters did anyway. Okay guys, we're at Jackie's. I haven't filmed anything, but Jackie went and picked up, I showed you this last time I was in Melbourne, it's her friend's business, but it's literally so good. Unforgettable, and they do literally every single flavour you can think of rum balls, which is perfect for Christmas. So I'm guessing that's cherry ripe, caramel, and then are these original caramel?
I think so.
So these ones are caramel coated original caramel. So freaking good. Keep refrigerated. Did you have them in the fridge? No. I've got it home. Jess is here. Mum's got your little wave. We're all sleeping in here. We're having a slumber party. I just keep stepping in water. I hope it's water and not piss.
It's Jess's ice cube that she didn't pick up.
Oh, Jess. Anyway, I dropped off all my presents. So all of these and those are all mine. Okay, I've just gotten ready. This is Jackie's tree. We're about to film that trend that's like, I forget how it goes. Oh, it's working.
Yeah. If you go flying.
You're not gonna go flying.
Can you just try it first?
No, that's funny. So ready? Picked Courtney up and we're heading into, oh yeah, we didn't actually pick her up. We're heading to, where are we going? Moondog.
Moondog Wild West.
In Footscray.
Footscray.
Living in a hell,